Tapos, dalawang tao and love. Tapos sa church na.
Wedding yun. Ay, iba ba yun?
Di ba yun yung ano? Yung forever?
Hindi guys, kasi according sa Samsung ko, ano siya, as a state of being united to a person of the opposite sex as husband or wife in a consensual and contractual relationship recognized by law. So yun yun. Galing ko. Galing na Samsung.
I think it's a very sacred ceremony. And kahit paano, it should be with somebody you really, really love. I think, I don't know, kasi medyo traditional family namin. So parang feeling ko, pag hindi ako nakapag-asawa, parang I will feel that there's something incomplete with my life. Kasi it's kind of hard to, you know, go through your whole life and not grow old with somebody.
Wala, fun. Gusto ko na magkaanak, yun
Based on
lang.
experience.
Alam naman lahat na gusto ko magkaanak.
Marriage kasi, maraming meaning yan. Yung meaning na ibibigay mo sa marriage, bahala ka.
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi pa ako kinakasal. Sagutin ko na lang pag kinasal ako.
Hindi niya po alam, tinuro lang po net niya. Siya po yung taga-Clifford.
Clifford. After 19 years.
What did you like about each other?
Sa kanya, very, number one is God-fearing. Siyempre, pastor eh. Tapos, pangalawa yung very funny kasi siya. Parang walang problema. Parang, yun. Tama na yun.
What did you like about each other?
Siyempre, one, yung very caring.
Easy.
19 years ago. Then, siyempre, yung pagiging responsible sa bahay. Kasi magaling na cook si Tito. Ikaw. Siyempre, hindi mo mawawala yung role ng prayer. So, we prayed about it. Tapos,
Pero, nag-start kami as friends.
as friends. So, for 2 years. Tapos, hindi naman exclusive yung dating. So, group, tapos, papasin ko, iba na tingin sa akin. And then, I realized na
Meron akong dinedate na iba. Diba? Nasiksiselos pala siya.
so yun, parang usual courting, pero yung factor na may involved na prayer and we both prayed about it. So si Lord na talagang nasabi na led us to this relationship. Siyempre kasama na rin din yung I love you, I want to marry you, ganda kasama na rin yun.
So, expectation.
Yeah.
Number one, dapat siya yung mag-take ng lead. Siya yung magiging responsible for yung direction ng family. Tapos, at the same time, siya yung spiritual head. In the area of sa finance, hindi naman masyado. Kasi normally, yung sa natin, sa society, parang yung husband supposed to be yung provider. Pero kasi yung sa amin, magkatulong. Hindi masyadong, alam mo yun, malaki yung expectation in terms of yung ibang mga bagay. Kasi alam ko naman parang shared responsibility. Pero more on being the head.
Sa akin, yung support coming from the wife, at saka yung submission din. Siyempre, as I take the lead, nandun yung support niya. Siyempre, napag-uusapan din naman namin. Sabi nga, I'm the head of the family, but she's the neck across the head. So, pero yun, yung support na talaga kasi kailangan iniwala siya dun sa direction na pupuntahan. Yung readiness, siguro, one, yung hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na yung stable na kami financially kasi hindi kami may stable financially. Talagang readiness siguro in terms ng emotions. Sabi ko nga, malaking factor yung prayer. Tapos, siguro during that time naman, mature na naman kami na para sabihin namin na we're ready to enter this serious relationship.
Yung sa akin, kahit sabihin mo na, prepared na ako, pagdating kasi minsan sa, sa actual na yung, let's say, actual married life, parang lahat ng sasabihin mo na prepared ka, mawawala. Sabihin mo, prepared ka emotionally, pero pag dumating yung away-away, ganon, syempre, may times na pa rin eh. Diba? So, talagang, hindi mo talagang totally masasabi eh. Hindi mo totally masasabi. Number one, may kasama ka sa pag-face ng, problema.
Pwede ko nag-iisa lang ang paano. Yes.
O tapos,
Yung kids.
bago yung kids.
Yung kids.
Yung paggawa ng kids.
Different pleasure yun. Yeah, fulfillment na having your own family.
Funny din.
Sa blessing.
Ano ba sa akin?
What curse?
Blessing tsaka curse eh, no? Journey pa rin. Journey.
Well, syempre one is God. Making Him as the center of our relationship, center of our family. Tapos yun din, yung syempre, aside from making God as the center of your relationship, you learn to understand, you learn to support one another. Marami, pagiging patient. Isa rin yun.
Mga bata. Isa rin siya sa nagbabayang sa relationship.
Kailan pa kayo kinasal? I mean, gano'ng katagal kayo nag-date and then kailan kayo kinasal?
1 year lang.
One year lang.
Nagkakilala kami 1990. Tapos, sabi nga, magkaibigan kami. 1992 nung sinagot niya. Kasi nga, yung friendship kasi.
Pero nung nag-propose kasi siya, hindi lang boyfriend-girlfriend. Nung nag-propose siya, ang sabi niya na, I want you to be my wife.
Package it.
So, 1 year na, pagka time na nag-propose na siya, nag-start na kami na mag-plan. Tapos, kasi hindi lang yung, alam mo yun, yung magbo-boyfriend-girlfriend na trial lang, yung gano'n. Kasi ang, katulad ng sinabi niya kanina, very important kasi yung pinag-pray muna namin if we're meant for each other. Kasi yun yung critical eh. Kasi, bakit ka papapasok dun sa relationship na ang intention mo lang is mag-boyfriend, girlfriend lang kayo. Tapos without, diba, na ang intention in mind is ikasal kayo. So, yung sa kanya, from the time na nag-propose siya, nag-start na kaming magkausap ng mga ninang. Tapos, the following year, March 30 ko siya sinagot.
Hindi, March 30. Tapos June 30 ako nag-propose.
June 30 siya nag-propose. Naman
Tapos, after a year. June 12.
Paano ka nag-propose? Paano ka nag-propose?
Sabi ko lang, kung ayaw mo, di na yung normal na proposal na
dinate niya ako sa
sa NW eh.
Hindi.
Ano ba? Sa Phoenix. Di ba pala ANW? Ibang proposal yun. Doon pala nandun. Hindi ako ng ring.
Tapos umiyak ka.
Want to get out with you.
Kaya nauna.
Ano pa mapapayo nyo para sa
Kabataan?
na naiisip-isip na yun?
Yung boyfriend, girlfriend? Or
marriage?
About
Everything, the dating, the marriage.
Sa akin, yung sa ngayon, kasi yung society natin, kasi di ba masyado ng, liberated di ba? Pero as much as possible, yung values pa din, kasi syempre for girls, for us, di ba? Dapat preserve muna yung purity. Tapos, marami namang ways na pwedeng makakilala ka ng marami, mag-circulate ka without na magiging boyfriend mo siya. So, huwag muna yung boyfriend-girlfriend. Determine muna. Like, kasi dito rin sa church, ang dami namin kinakaunselan na nung una, akala mo in love na in love. Tapos minsan may mga nangyayari, ganun. Tapos, mangyayari after ilang years, separate din. So, sayang.
At saka yung being accountable to somebody. Importante yun yung support group. Kasi it will protect yung relationship. So kung kayong dalawa lagi, so may malaking danger.
Temptation.
So, pero kung merong mga accountability, when you're accountable to ates, kuyas, who will pray for you, at yung mga lalapitan mo, yung mga advice, kailangan mo. At yung mga taong will remind you na ito yung dapat mong gawin, so mas magiging healthy yung relationship. So, yun.
Kasi grown-ups na rin naman kayo, di ba? Yung area kasi yung sa sexuality, di ba? Buhay ninyo yan, gagawin ninyo eh. Pero nasasayang kasi minsan kung ang nagiging focus ng relationship is yun lang. Ang maganda kasi, friends kayo, you have fun, tapos, kumbaga, you help each other grow spiritually muna. Kasi di ba yung sinasabi yung triangle, di ba? Close muna kayo kay God. Tapos, the closer you get kay God, lumiliit din yung gap. Nagiging close din kayo sa mga isa. So,
and the best gift that you can give to your partner is virginity. Best gift. So, sa iba kasi ngayon, sabi niya tawawin mo parang hindi na uso yan. Before God, diba? Talagang muna marriage is all about honoring God. Kasi siya ang nag-institute ng marriage. So, dapat talaga maging pure and face the altar. Pareho kayo, you are facing God na alam niyo, in-honor niyo yung God throughout years or months of being together, ang laking blessing mo ang mag-asawa mo. I'm not saying walang blessing yung kamali na kayo in the past, no, I'm not saying that. Pero iba pa rin yun. If you can preserve your purity, the best na talaga.
And easy wedding thing.
Marriage, also called as a matrimony, is a social union or legal contract between two people called spouses. People marry for many reasons, including legal, social, emotional, financial, spiritual, and being in love. Marriage is the most important stage in a couple's life.